Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix your keychain password error which occurs on your MacBook or your iPhone. So what is actually keychain? A keychain is a software of Mac OS which can be used either in an iPhone or an iMac or a Mac. It's actually manufactured by Apple and it saves your password. It saves a lot of passwords that you have, starting from your Wi-Fi password to your Facebook account password to Instagram password. It has a collection. It's actually an inventory of every password that you save on your device. So sometimes an error can be caused on these applications without any reason or just because of a glitch. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to sort it out if you face a similar error like that. So what you need to do is you have to go here and you have to go to this KEYCHAIN Access. It's actually a software application by Apple. And here you can see you have every kind of password that you have saved on this system, starting from local items to logins to your systems. And you can see every password is saved here. The Wi-Fi passwords are even saved here. The Bluetooth passwords are saved here. So it's a very important app. So what you have to do is you have to go here to local items. You can see the Facebook passwords are saved here. On the other hand, you can also add a password if you want. Like if you want to add a password of a YouTube account, you can also do it. You can write YouTube here. Let me just do it for you. YouTube here, and then your account name, your YouTube account name. For example, I'm just giving you an example, and then you have to write the password. Now this is the password. This keychain will say that the strength of the password is very weak. So what we can do is we can increase the length and we can use a suggested number, and thus we can increase the quality or the strength of the password. You can also remember it. It's right here. So this is how you can add a password. Now, if you are facing any issues regarding the keychain, you'll have to do something which I personally say is something harsh, but that's the only way out, because we actually don't know where the bug is or where the glitch is. So what do you have to do? You have to come here in your KEYCHAIN Access app and you have to select or press Command and A. Once you press Command and A, you will be selecting all these passwords. So the next thing that you have to do is you have to delete these passwords. You have to delete every single one of them. And when you have deleted all these, then I'm pretty sure you'll be good to go. But even if this doesn't help you, there's always another way. What you have to do, you have to go here to your computer and Macintosh, and after that you have to go here to library, and then you have to go to your keychain folder. When you go here, what do you have to do? You have to select all these and then you have to remove them, and when they will be in the bin, you have to clear the bin out. You have to empty the bin. So this is actually the other way of doing it. By doing these two ways, I'm pretty sure your problem will be solved and you won't face any error. So that was it for today. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.